In extreme environments, how can we ensure food stays warm and fresh? Lyroe's rotomolded insulated boxes bring soldiers a warm meal and a glimmer of hope, making every bite feel like home. Whether in the field or in food production facilities, Lyroe's insulated boxes are the perfect solution for transportation and storage. Hygienic, safe, and efficient, ensuring every meal reaches its destination fresh and intact. Every Lyroe rotomolded box is born here. Our unique rotomolding process creates seamless, highly durable, and pressure-resistant designs, ready to tackle the toughest challenges. Lyroe offers more than insulated boxes. Our rotomolded series covers a wide range of applications. From precision tool storage and medical emergencies to field command operations, Lyroe supports your work and life with versatility. From the battlefield to the factory floor, from the dining table to the command desk, Lyroe delivers reliable support with exceptional quality and innovative craftsmanship, making every choice a trusted one. Lyroe's rotomolding craftsmanship delivers excellence. Choose Lyroe. Choose reliability and professionalism.